What's up, you guys? In this video, I will be showing you several easy styles that you can do with this mixed colored chestnut brown deep wave wig from Love Me Hair. What's up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. This is a 18-inch deep curly chestnut mixed colored wig from Love Me Hair. It is originally glueless, but I will inform you before the video starts fully that I did glue this wig down. This is their transparent undetectable lace, which is really thin. The knot stick comes small and it is already pre-bleached for the beginners who can't do that thus far. I did customize my lace, as you can see here. I went in and bleached a little bit more, as well as plucked just slightly. I didn't pluck a lot because it is already pre-plucked as well. But this is how it turned out, and here's a close-up shot of the knots after it's been bleached and slightly plucked by me. This is the adjustable strap that came in my wig. Please be aware that adjustable straps can come in different forms in these wigs. So this is how this lovely wig looks after it has been sprayed and laid down. It is very full and very pretty. I am really feeling those highlights in this color brown in this wig. It is very lovely. But look at the scalping of this. This is beautiful. It's giving all natural, like I grew it out of my head. Like it just grew out of my own scalp. I also want to inform you guys that I did every single one of these styles without baby hair. The natural hairline that you see here is how I did every style. I did not add any baby hair. But each of these styles can have a little baby hair presence for the girls who like that. The glue I used in this video was from Kiss. It was the Almighty Bond. That glue was totally awesome. I have the whole kit. I won a raffle on their Instagram page, and it worked beautifully. So for the first look, I want to show you guys, I got my little hair clip that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I went right behind the top of my ear and folded those two pieces back and over the middle part and clamped it down just to give a little elegant look. This is a great everyday look or brunch look, or even if you want to just go take a walk on the beach and take pictures. This would be a great look for that. Also, it helps save the integrity of your curls, so when you take it down, it won't be as bushy. My second look, I wanted to do a half up, half down kind of look with the two little pieces hanging down in the front. So let me tell you guys, while I was doing this video, I didn't realize that this little bun that I'm putting up here was a whole look in itself, which was really cute. Kind of messy bun with the little side bangs. That was a look, and I didn't even realize it till now. But this was a cute look, and we can add that into one of our hairstyles as well. When you're doing a half up, half down with this wig, be mindful of how much hair you pull into your bun, because you don't want to pull too much. As we all know, this hair has a little bit of wefts in the back, and you don't want your wefts to show as you're trying to pull up your half up, half down. So just be mindful of the hair that you pull into your ponytail. But I'm giving fierce with my little ponytail up there. Also, they have little hair ponytail clamps that you can put on. I seen a few in my local beauty supply, and I start to get one and I didn't, which I sadly regret at this moment looking at this hairstyle, because it really would have been great. Also, a key tip for this style, do not pull your hair too tight in that ponytail. If you want it a little more clean, just get your hot comb and slick it up and put your rubber band in, but don't pull it too tight because pulling it can cause your lace to start lifting and pulling back. So for this next style, it's another little half up, half down kind of thing. I just do a middle part pin-up look. I part it in the middle and then I part it on my side. I twist it and then I pin it with my little butterfly clips that you saw in the previous pin-up look, and it gives a whole nother cute little look in itself. And look how realistic it looks. And I wanted to show my part a little more, so I just took my hot comb and pressed that little middle part down to the side a little bit to give it more of a visible part. And that's about it for this. If you don't want your back as bushy, you can spray it with water to lay it down a little bit and add a little bit of the curly cream from Heritage, and it'll be a go. Keep in mind with this wig, the more you manipulate it, the bigger it gets. Curly hair is big hair when it dries. So while it's drying, the more you play with it, the bigger it will get. Please remember that. But here's another look. I haven't showed you the sprayed wet look. So you just spray your hair all over, and excuse my face because I was kind of squirting myself in the face with this spray bottle. It was just everywhere. But just spray as much as you want. If you want it super wet, you can spray it a lot. If you don't, why not? But you just spray all your hair. You brush it with your Denman brush, your Afro brush, any brush that's kind of like a comb, kinda, and you just brush those through, and look at those curls and how they pop. If you want to leave it shiny or leave it in this wet state, you can add a little bit of hair gel, but for the sake of this video, any products I used, it was in that spray bottle, which was my curly cream and my water. I don't use any additional gels, mousses, or anything like that to maintain the integrity of these curls. This is how the hair and the curls look wet, which is really pretty. This is also a look that you can go for, but keep in mind that this hair does dry, and when it dries, it gives a whole nother look, which is beautiful within itself, and you will see that at the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Also follow me on all my social medias. And I'll see you in the next one.